Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 7 best travel handbags that I've used and love. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. Starting off with this MZ Wallace large Metro shoulder bag. This is a wonderful travel companion because it's spacious and it has a lot of pockets for organization. This is what the inside looks like. It has a nice chunky zipper, and that's the inside there. So tons of pockets, 2 slip pockets here, another tiny slip pocket in there, and then a zip pocket that has 2 slip pockets inside. Told you, pockets galore, and then one outside pocket, which is great for your phone. And this bag I purchased for $175 with tax, and now it's $195, but it's worth it. I've used this bag as an overnight bag as well, and it fit all of my clothes and my essentials. I do have a video on that, so I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. Here are a few items that I bring when I travel. My iPad and my Kindle will obviously fit in here with plenty of room to spare. I probably could even fit this tray in here, just like that. And there you go. And there's still a ton of room inside, so definitely a great bag if you are traveling. And there's that. Next, we have the Longchamp size small. This is the Longchamp Le Pliage in the size small. I love this bag. I love using this for travel because it fits all of my essentials. And here I've added some grommets to both sides, just in case I want to carry it crossbody. And this is what it looks like. Oh, I have some books in here. So this bag is just one main compartment. It has 2 slip pockets, the front being one of the smaller size, and then the back is a lot more spacious. This bag I purchased for $125 and it's now $130. And of course I'm going to say it's worth it because this is one of my most used Longchamp bags out of all of the sizes that I have. Again, with some of the essentials. So I have my iPad here, and it fits easily. If you're a Kindle girly like I am, that fits as well. If you're traveling with a passport, that will fit in the back pocket here easily, along with your wallet. And there's plenty of room left for snacks. This is my Nintendo Switch, and it has a very bulky case, but that fits inside. It does take a lot more room, but it does fit. And let's say you want to bring a camera, that fits as well. So you can see how much fits inside, and it zips up just like that. This is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle, and it does fit standing up. Show you to close it, just like that. And there you go. So you can see why this is my favorite bag. You can fit a ton of stuff inside. So I highly recommend this as a travel bag. It's durable. This is what the corners look like in the bottom and the back. And this is what the handles look like. And I've used this a ton of times. So great quality, and it's a great price. Next is the 3-liter Lululemon shoulder bag. This comes with 2 straps, so you can use it as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. It has a nice chunky metal zipper, and it's very smooth. And this is what the inside looks like. And then it has an outside pocket. And I purchased this bag for $78, and it's the same price right now. You can fit your phone back there. This is an iPhone S, and it fits easily. So you can fit a larger phone if you needed to, plus a charger. Here's for my Kindle girlies. This fits inside easily. Again, if you're traveling with a passport, that also fits in the back pocket here, just to keep it a little more secure. Or you can put it inside. There's a zip pocket in here, and that fits just like that. My iPad does not fit inside of here, as you can see, but if you have an iPad mini, that may fit inside, but I don't have one. So there's that. So you can see it fits quite a lot. And if you're looking for an alternative to the Lululemon belt bag and you wanted another Lululemon bag to bring for travel, this is a great one to have. And next, I have this Uniqlo bag. You guys have seen this on my channel. I have this in multiple colors. It's very soft and spacious. So in here, it's just a main compartment and then 2 slip pockets. And I purchased this for $19.90 and it's the same price. There are no outside pockets on this bag, but you won't need it because there's a ton of room in here. It has an adjustable strap, but it's not detachable. I recently featured the Ultra Mini size, and that one does have a detachable strap, but this is the one I recommend for travel. So there's that. And next we have the Polène Numero Un Nano bag. This is a great bag to bring if you want something a little more stylish. It does have a slip pocket in the back. You can put your card. Oh, I have my Target gift card here. I need to use that. So you can put a card in here. As you can see, I have used this for a hotel key card. This bag I purchased for $4.70 plus the $20 shipping, which is $4.90, and now it's $5.10. I did purchase this bag a while ago. This is what the bottom looks like. That's what the handle looks like. And then the strap. And then I just have this charm on here. This is from Amazon. And this is what it looks like. So it's a snap closure. And that's what it looks like. What do I have in here? I just have a pouch, deodorant, and a comb. So inside is one main compartment and a slip pocket in there. A Kindle does fit inside, just like that. A passport does fit in the back pocket standing up, or you can just put it in the main compartment. And a card holder, you can put it in the slip pocket there. If you want to bring your camera, this is a Canon G7X, and that fits. So there's a ton of room inside, and you can close it just like that. I always leave these unsnapped so that way I can fit more items inside. So let me take everything out. I have used this bag on a trip before, and I felt very safe with it. I wear a lot of dark clothes, and there's no color transfer. So there's that, the Polène Numero Un Nano. And next we have the Polène Numero Dix, and this is one of my most used Polène bags. This color is new to me. I did buy it pre-loved. I travel a lot with this bag and I use it daily. I'm actually using this right now. And I purchased this bag pre-loved for $400. It was in great condition. And right now on the Polène website, it's going for $620. I can fit quite a lot in here. Let me just take out a few things so I can show you. Again, with the Kindle, that will fit inside easily. And you can put your camera as well. Just like that. And that's what it looks like. And I even have the slip pocket filled with tissue, a mirror, my pill case, and then a few lip products. And what I love about this bag is it's a zipper closure, so it's very secure. Let's go ahead and take this out. If you're a gamer, you can bring this, and that fits as well. So it's quite spacious. You don't have to worry about your items when you're traveling. Let's say if the bag tips over, you won't have to worry that it's going to fall out. So I highly recommend this bag. And last but certainly not least, this is the Dress Up Your Purse Calvi bag. I have this cute little bag charm on it. It does come with the grommets already. It's very reminiscent to the Longchamp Extra Small bag. It has this nice chunky zipper. It's gold hardware. And it does come with a crossbody strap. And this is what the inside looks like. It has a slip pocket here and a zippered pocket. This was gifted to me by the brand, and it's going for $249 on the website. You can use my code HANDBAGC for 15% off. Again, your Kindle will fit easily, just like that. Passport can go in the slip pocket here. I hope you guys can see this. Just like that. Let me show you this way. You even have room in the slip pocket for your wallet. Cell phone can also fit in the slip pocket as well. A regular size iPad will not fit in here, unfortunately. If you have a regular size wallet, it will fit. Let's put this in here, just like that. The card holder also fits in the zippered compartment, just to show you. So plenty of space in this bag. Great for travel, very understated. The leather is very durable. It does not have any feet here, but you can add some. The Gal's Guide sells handbag heels, so you can add it to this bag. So there you go, you guys. 7 best travel handbags that I've used and love. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!